this is me and this is my microwave, and what I'm going to be shoving in microwave is an egg, and I'm going to be doing this with a difference. Instead of just microwaving a standard egg, I'm going to microwave Margaret Thatcher. So how are we going to do Margaret Thatcher? Microwave your cabinet minister. So we have a set of beady eyes so she can keep an eye on unemployed, and persecutor. Big gob, because she has got a big gob. And finally that curly mop of hair she always rides around with. There you go, it looks more like Anne Widdecombe actually. And this is our microwave. So let's stick our cabinet minister in microwave and see what happens. There's the cabinet minister, all ready to be microwaved. Switch it on. Nine minutes or to do it. And let's watch it explode. Oh, look at that cream melting. You can't see much now. Oh yes! One cabinet minister microwaved. How's that? Look at that. Superb. So let's have our next cabinet minister to be microwaved. And I think we'll microwave Douglas Hurd next. Pair of narrow eyes. And he also had that ice cream cone on top of his head, did Douglas. There you go, one Douglas Hurd ready for microwave. Stick that in. There goes Douglas in microwave. Get bloody thing switch on. Microwave your cabinet minister. Watch this. There it goes. One cabinet minister. Not yet. Lasting longer than Maggie did. More durable than Margaret Thatcher. Come on. That it. Bloody hell, it's strong as that. Oh, Douglas is cooking well. I can't believe how long this has lasted. Oh, yes! Douglas, what an explosion.